Are you tired of endlessly clicking through websites to install or update your apps? What if I told you there's a way to manage all your software with just one command? Stay tuned, because today, we're diving into the magic of Winget, Windows' secret weapon for app management. Welcome to Valley 4 Tech's channel. If you're looking to supercharge your Windows experience and reclaim hours wasted on repetitive tasks, Winget is about to be your new best friend. By the end of this video, you'll master the basics of Winget and see just how powerful it can be. First, what exactly is Winget? Winget, or the Windows Package Manager, is like a personal assistant for your software. Instead of scouring the internet for installers or dealing with pop-ups, you can install, update, and manage applications directly from the command line. Think of it as the Windows equivalent of a super-efficient app store. It's designed for developers, power users, and anyone who loves efficiency. Best of all, it's completely free and already included in updated versions of Windows 10, it is also included in Windows 11, and Windows Server 2025. To start using Winget, you will first need to check whether Winget is installed on your computer or not. Simply open a command prompt with administrator privileges, then type the following command: winget -- version. If you see the version number, then you are ready to use the tool. However, if it is not installed, and you see a message saying that the command is not recognized, as in my case here because I am using an outdated version of Windows 10. In this case, you need to install Winget on your device in one of two ways. The first is to update your Windows 10 version to 1709, build 16299, or later. The second is to install the Microsoft Desktop App Installer manually. In my case, I will follow the second method, as I do not have time to wait for the Windows version update process. So I downloaded an official copy of the Microsoft Desktop App Installer application. I will put the link to the application in the description below the video. Just run the application. Then click on the Update button. After the update process is complete, restart your computer, to ensure that everything will work fine. Now, let's go back again to check if Winget is installed on the machine or not. I will open a command prompt with administrator privileges, and then I will again type the command, winget -- version. You should now see the version number of the tool, which means that Winget is installed on your machine. Now let's look at some key Winget commands. These will transform how you manage apps. Want to see a detailed list of all the apps installed on your device, and their versions? Just type the following command: winget list. Since we are using the tool for the first time, we must first agree to the terms of use, by entering the letter Y and then pressing enter. Now, you will see a detailed list of all the apps installed on your device, so you can see if you have the app you want installed or not, and you can remove the apps you don't want from this list. Are you looking for an application to know its ID, so you can install it on your device using Winget? For example, when I used the list command to list all the applications installed on my device, I noticed that I did not have Chrome browser installed. So I want to search for it to know its ID in the Winget repository so I can install it later. Just type the following command: winget search app name. In my case here, I will replace the word app name with Chrome. After pressing enter key, you will get a list of applications related to the word Chrome. Here is Google Chrome. We will copy its ID to install it later. Do you want to install the app you found from the search? Now that we have the Chrome browser ID, here is how to install it. Just enter the following command: winget install app ID. In our case, we will replace the word app ID with the word Google.Chrome. Once you press the Enter key, the browser will be downloaded from the Winget repository, and then the browser will be installed on the device. Once the installation process is complete, you can go to the search bar to make sure that the browser is actually installed or not. Do you want to update all the applications installed on your device in one step? When we listed the applications installed on the device, we found a fairly large list of installed applications. Imagine that you want to check each application individually to know the applications that need to be updated. This is in addition to the update process itself. A tiring matter, isn't it? Don't worry, just enter the following command. Winget upgrade. Once you press the Enter key, it will show you a list of all the applications that need to be updated. You can review this list to update only what you want by entering the following command. Winget upgrade app ID. In case you want to update all applications, enter the following command. Winget upgrade all. Once you press the Enter key, Winget will update all the applications in order. Want to uninstall one of your apps? Let's uninstall the Chrome browser that we just installed. Just enter the following command. Winget uninstall app ID. In our case, we will replace app ID with Google.Chrome. Once you hit the Enter key, the app will be uninstalled from your device. Now, if you go to the search bar, to confirm that the app has indeed been removed from your device. Now that you know how Winget can transform the way you manage apps, it's time to try it out. Drop a comment below with your favorite Winget command or tell me how it worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips that make life easier. See you in the next one.